Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Seasonic Focus Plus Platinum edition. It's the 850px. It has it will be powering my AMD for now, because I actually have home another Seasonic Platinum, but it's rated for 760 watts. This is a modular power supply. As you can see, here on the side are the specs. It has if I'm not mistaken, 1200 millimeter fan. Let's get going to the unboxing itself. Oh, here is the full specs. What I like about the Seasonic power supplies is that they have an option to disable totally the fan and go in fanless mode, because if you are not using half of the wattage, you won't be needing the fan to cool anything at all, so the less dust will build up. This is a black box in a box. As you can see, first what comes is the user manual, the power cord, a sticker and many zippers and cable holders. I don't remember my old and power supply screws. I don't remember how my old power supply is packed. This is the power supply itself. It's not a big power supply. I think it's actually smaller than my home supply, which I currently have from Seasonic. Yes, it's much smaller, but bigger doesn't mean better. Here is the hybrid mode. Okay. Again, the spec sheets. Here is how you would see the power supply from the side if you are putting it in a down configuration, and from the up configuration. Here are all the cable, which are very well fitted. Actually, this design of hybrid mode is pretty nice to see, because on my old power supply, all those cables, the controller was inside of the motherboard, with the motherboard. If you have a power supply shroud, it would actually interfere with the shroud itself. Here are the cables. Actually, the PCI Express and CPU cables are braided, and we have also the SATA, which are standard non-braided cables. So this is my unboxing of Seasonic Focus Plus 850 Platinum power supply. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Have a nice day.